Hello everyone, my name is Keshav Jadhav and in this video I will explain how to fit a given data set into the equations like this. So we have solver option in Excel to fit given data into any type of equations like this. So let's start. I have opened this Excel sheet and this is the given data set or experimental data. And this data we have to fit in equation like this: y is equal to a into exponential of minus bx plus c. So here this a, b and c are the constants, and fitting this data into equation like this means we have to find out values for these constants. So before finding actual constant values, we will assume some constant values for ABC and we will calculate y values for this model. So here we can write equal to sign, then here we have constant value, so we will choose this cell, okay, then into, here it is exponential term, so in Excel we have exp to choose exponential term, so exp of minus b, so here we can add minus sign and here it is constant value b. Then we have to add here multiplication sign and into x, so these are the x values, so we will choose this first value, then close this bracket, then plus this c, so I will add plus c value. So we have entered the formula for this equation, but here this a, b, c are the constant values and it should not change for other values of x. So for that purpose we will add here a dollar. So this is for a, then this is for b and this is for c. So if we add here dollar sign, then these constant values will be remain same if we drag this formula. So let us drag this formula for all values of x. So here we can see the formula. If you go to next cell, only x value is changing and constant values ABC remains same. So we have assumed this value for ABC and we have to find out optimum values for ABC to get minimum error between actual value and calculated value. So here we will calculate the error. So error is actual value minus calculated value. Okay, so we can double click on this so that it will calculate errors for all values of y. Now here we will take square of the error. So this is error in first value of y, this is error in second value of y. So here we will calculate error square. So is equal to this raised to 2. So just double click on this so that we will get square of errors for all values. Now here we will calculate sum of these errors. So we will write formula equal to sum sum round bracket, select all these squares of the error and complete this bracket and press enter key. So this is square of error. Now we will plot the graph for this actual values and calculated values. So for that purpose go to this insert tab and select charts from this. So let us select scattered chart. So we will get here scattered chart. So to select values, right click and select data. So here we can click on add and give here name actual, select x values, then delete this and select y values and click OK. So these are the data points for actual value. Again click on this add and here we have to select the calculated values. So here we can write calculated. Select x values same as previous delete this and select calculate values of y and click OK. So here we can add the names for actual and calculated values. So click on this plus sign and select this legends. So this first it is actual and second is calculated values. So here we will change chart type for this calculated data. So right click on this and select change chart type. So select this combo, and here for calculated we can use line. For actual we want scatter data. So click on OK. So here if you change the values of this constant, then this line will change. So let us try with changing values of ABC. So let us consider 0.7, this 50, okay, like this. Again we can change this value, so it will be closer. Okay, so we can see here by changing the values of ABC we can get the better fit. Okay, so here this is the sum of square of the errors. So here we have to get ABC value such that this sum of square of error will be minimum. So for that purpose we have solver in Excel. So go to data tab and here we have solver. If you don't have the solver option, then go to this file and options, select options, then select this add-ins, then select this solver add-in and click go. Click on this solver add-in and press OK. Then you will get this solver option here. So select this solver option. So here we have to set objective. So our objective is to minimize this value of sum of square of the error, and so select this minimum. This should be minimum. And which value we have to change? We have to change values of ABC. So select these values. Okay, and keep all other setting default and click on this solve option. So we will get the optimum values for ABC, and we can see here these calculated values are also near to the actual values, and this sum it is reduced to minimum value. And here we can see solver has performed the 5 iterations. So just click on OK. So these are the optimum values for these constants ABC. So in this way we can fit given data into any type of equation. Just we have to enter that equation here and we have to use the solver available in the Excel. Thank you.